Hey guys, let's set up a call only ad and also add a call extension to our ad in Google Ads. All right, so here we are. This is Google Ads. Let's select the campaign. Perfect. Let's go over to ads and assets on the left. Right, so now here is the ads area. We're going to hover over the ad. We're going to click on the pencil that edits our ad. Okay, let's scroll to the bottom. You'll notice here it says more asset types. Here's where you want to add a call asset. Here you can add a phone number. So you click on plus and you can add a phone number to your ad. So we select that one. Looks like I've already added it as an asset in another ad. But you can hit campaign, or sorry, you can hit add. And there it is. It's added as a call. There it is there. You can click on save ad. And there we go. A call asset has been added to our ad. Fantastic. The next thing I want to show you is a call only ad. So inside the ads section here, you can click on plus. Click on add variation. Oh, no, sorry. Let's get out of there. Let's go back. Ads. Plus. So in the ads section, right, you want to click on call ad. Okay? And you have to actually add it to a campaign. So I'm going to click on this one here, that ad group. And then here you have it. You can create headlines and descriptions. But the beauty of this is, instead of your phone number being added as an asset at the bottom of your ad, it's actually added as a headline. So it's a call only ad in that it makes your call or your phone number, especially on mobile, be much more prominent, and it'll allow people to click it and then open up the phone app on your phone and then call straight from the ad. A call asset is just appearing at the bottom of your ad. It's much smaller. As I said, this is much more prominent. So if you're a local service business, highly recommended to set up a call only ad. You can see here. If calls are your primary goal and you want to increase that as a KPI, feel free to set this up. Once you fill out the headlines and the business name and the descriptions, click on Save New Ad, and there you go. It's a good thing to try, at least as an A/B test. All right, so because I made a little hiccup there, let's go through one more quick time. So ads and assets, right? And then we can see all of our ads here and the campaigns that they pertain to. And we're going to click here and we're going to click on call ad, and there you go. All right. Thanks very much. Hopefully that was helpful.